Good morning students, welcome back to e-learning programs. So dear students, today's started new topics, divisions of fractions for class 4 exercise 49 part 19. Dear students, we discuss about fractions of addition of fractions, subtractions of fractions, multiplications of fractions. Now today's new topics, division of fractions. So let us start related questions with topics. Your first type questions, divide 1 by 2 by 3. So dear students, at first you write down 1 by 2 divide 3 by 1. 1 is hidden. So dear students, now 1 by 2, first fraction is constant and second term reciprocal of the given number, and here multiply 1 by 3. Now dear students, you know that 1 multiply 1 and here 2 multiply 3, that means 1 by 6. This is the real answers of these questions. Now second questions, similarly at first you write here in this way, 14 divide 15 divide 7 by 1. Now again 14 by 15, dear students, and here reciprocal of 7, that means 1 by 7. Here multiplication symbols instead of symbol of divisions. Here 1 by 7. Now 14 multiply 1 and 15 multiply 7. 7 to the 14. Dear students, 2 by 15. This is the answers of these questions. Now next questions, dear students, at first 7 by 1 divide 2 by 5. Now reciprocals of the second fractions, and here multiplications, give the symbols of multiplications and reciprocals of 2 by 5, that means 5 by 2. Now 7 multiply 5 and 1 multiply 2, that means 7 5 the 35 by 2. This is the answer. So I suggest you, in division of fractions, in second step, second fractions, write the reciprocals of the given fractions. In previous chapters I taught about what is reciprocals. That means universe. Their product is 1. That means reciprocal. So dear students, at first use second step, second fractions, write in the form of reciprocals. Instead of divisions, put the multiplication symbols. Now you find out answers. Now simplify this related topics, dear students. Here 1 upon 1 by 2, this is the mixed fraction. So at first you convert into improper fractions. Here 2 1 2, that means 3 by 2, divide 3 by 1. Here 3 by 2, multiply reciprocal of 3 by 1, that means 1 by 3. Here 3 multiply 1 and 2 multiply 3, that means 3 cancels, 1 by 2. This is the answers. Now second questions, here 63 by 1s divide 4 to the 8, 9 by 4. Here 63 by 1s multiply 4 by 9, reciprocal of 9 by 4, that means 4 by 9. Here 63 multiply 4 and 1 multiply 9, 9 7 ja 63, that means 28 by 1, that is 28. This is the answers. Now last questions of the related topics. Here given the questions in mixed fractions, so at first convert into improper fractions. 5 to the 10, 1 11s by 5. Here 11 by 1. Dear students, 11 by 5 multiply instead of division symbols and reciprocals of 11 by 1, that means 1 by 11. Now 11s multiply 1 and 5 multiply 11s, 11 cancels, that 1 by 5. This is the answers of this question. I hope that you understand divisions of fractions. One points noted in this related topics: 1 by 2 divide 3 by 1, the reciprocals of the second fractions, and here instead of divisions put the symbols of multiplications and reciprocals of, and you find out here 1 by 6. This is the answer. Now in this way you solve the questions divisions of fractions. If any problem, ask them. Thank you students.